Hey everyone, today we're looking into something called Memo Clarity, a supplement that promises to boost your memory, clear brain fog, and basically make your mind sharper than it's ever been. Bold claim, right? If you've been on Facebook lately, you might have seen their ad with the headline, Honey Plus This Equals Memory Restored. Yep, that one. It tells this heart-tugging story about someone's grandma with dementia and how a spoonful of honey mixed with a special spice magically brought her memory back. Then, of course, they want you to click to learn more. Click it, and you land on a page pretending to be from CNN Entertainment. It's got a headline about people with memory problems do this bathroom mistake and a bunch of major news logos, the New York Times, CBS, ABC, Fox, CNN, none of them linked anywhere. The rest of the page, just a video and a couple of suspiciously generic comments saying how amazing this recipe is. All right, let's talk about that video. It's long, painfully long. It starts fast, so you think the secret is coming soon, but then it drags on forever with dramatic storytelling about memory robbers in your brain, evil pharmaceutical companies hiding cures, and some mysterious doctor who discovered the solution. They sprinkle in real stories from people who supposedly got their memory back, and then the honey trick never revealed. Surprise. Instead, after all that suspense, the real solution they're pushing is buying Memo Clarity. When you finish the video, the hidden part of the page pops up with big flashy offers. 6 bottles, best value, half off, free shipping, surprise gift, or maybe you want just 2 bottles for a bargain price. Classic upsell tactics. But before we buy, let's check the official Memo Clarity site. It's full of big promises. #1 formula for memory support, very gentle yet very powerful, made in the USA, and a lineup of shiny badges. FDA approved, GMP certified, 100% natural. Problem is, the FDA doesn't approve supplements like this. These badges, just pictures, no links, no proof. The reviews? On their site and in their promo videos, it's all glowing 5-star ratings from people who supposedly had life-changing results. But when you check Trustpilot, nothing, not a single review. Amazon, just 1 review, and it's 1 star. The customer literally called it a total scam, said they had a terrible allergic reaction, claimed everything in the ad is false, and even pointed out the ad was AI generated. Not exactly the sea of happy buyers their marketing suggests. And the domain info registered just a few days ago, August 5th, 2025, by someone in India. No real company name, no US address, nothing. For a brand that says it's manufactured in the United States, that's a pretty big red flag. So here's the bottom line. Memo Clarity uses fake news pages, made-up science, stock photo reviews, and urgency tactics to pressure you into buying a product with zero independent proof it works. If their honey trick was real, they wouldn't need to hide it behind a 20-minute sales pitch and a checkout page. Save your money, protect your info, and don't fall for fake CNN pages selling miracle cures. Thanks for watching, stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.